Good morning, children. So in this video we are going to see about that next topic, that is uniform motion and non-uniform motion. So in the last class we saw about periodic and non-periodic motion. So what is uniform motion? Today we are going to see so what is uniform motion. So if an object it covers uniform distances in uniform intervals of time means then the motion of the object is called as uniform motion. For example, you see the picture here, that motion of a car given, right? See, that car covers equal distances in equal interval of time. That is, it covers for every 2 seconds it covers 2 meters. So here it covers uniform distances in uniform intervals of time. So here that motion of an object, that car, is known as uniform motion. So the next one, what is non-uniform motion? It is just opposite to uniform motion. That is, an object, it travels unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Then the motion of that object is known as non-uniform motion. For example, that movement of a car in a crowded area. In a crowded area, that motion of that car is a good example for non-uniform motion. So that car covers unequal distances in equal interval of time. So that motion of a car in crowded area, it is a good example for non-uniform motion. So we completed this unit ma. I will send you that book back answers for you. So please go through what and all I taught in this lesson. Please go through it. Okay, dear children. Thank you.